In this video, we will be looking at the Gemara's 10th Ibaya. The case in the 10th question is where someone borrows an animal from an Isha. The animal is from her Nichsei Malayg property, which belongs to the woman, and the halacha of Nichsei Malayg is that the keren, the capital, the actual asset, belongs to the woman, and her husband has the right to the peres, to the profits that come from this asset. And the shomer, the shoyel, after the animal was stolen, pays back the husband instead of paying back the wife. So the two sides of the ibaya are as follows. Do we say because the keren, the capital, does not belong to the husband, so when the shoyel makes a payment to the husband, he hasn't paid back the real owner, which would be the wife, and therefore the shoyel should not get kefel? Or perhaps because the husband is the apotropos, he's the one who oversees the animal. And he has the right to the peres, to the profits. So perhaps payment from the shoyel to the husband should be considered like payment to the real owner, and he should get the kefil. All of that is the pshat of Rashi in this question of the Gemara. Tosfos is bothered by a question. He asks, what is the Gemara's two sides of this ibaya? He says, why on earth would we think that the payment to the husband is not considered good enough? He says, let's think about it. When the shoyel borrows an animal, the animal has in it keren of the wife and peres of the husband. That animal is made up of, if you wish, two parts, keren and peres. When he pays back the value of the animal, he's paying back for the animal, the value of the animal, which includes in it keren of the wife and peres of the husband. So he paid back exactly what he borrowed. So why would we think that he should not get the kefil? So Tosfos suggests an answer for Rashi's pshat, that perhaps the case over here is that when he pays back, it doesn't mean he paid back the full value of the animal, which would be exactly what he borrowed. The case over here is that he only pays back the peres, the value of the peres, to the husband, and he doesn't pay back the value of the animal at all. And the Gemara wants to know whether he gets the kefil for the value of the peres or not. Tosfos himself, though, offers another explanation. He says the Gemara's case in this ibaya is where someone borrows an animal from a woman when she is still single, and now when he makes the payment, she's married. So the question is, when he borrowed, there was an animal that the keren and peres, the capital and profits, belonged to the isha. Now, when he pays back, he's not paying back exactly what he borrowed. He's paying back an animal that has a split in it, keren to the isha and peres to the husband. So the way Tosfos explains, the Gemara's question applies even when he pays back the wife, because ultimately what he pays is not what he borrows, and that's what the Gemara wants to know. Is it good enough for him to be able to get the kefil or not?